I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. It's your girl, Big Sexy. I'm back with another video. But wait, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe right now. I was just minding my business as I should mind my business. As y'all know me, I like to mind my business. Now, I want to tell y'all something. So lately, it's gonna sound, for those of y'all that are not, how can I say this? I don't want to be insulting. Those of y'all who are not fully aware that there's more to life than what's being seen with these eyes, you're not going to understand the next couple comments I'm going to be making. So either stay tuned to learn or do some research, or feel free to watch one of my other videos. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm just spreading a little bit of positivity and maybe a little insight on what transitions and metamorphosis I've been going through. So as you guys know, I've been coming back more consistently with my YouTube and just being more productive in the everyday lifestyle. So hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. But there's something that was to address, right? And we gonna need a pull up for this. It ain't no liquor, it's just juice. But over the past, well, honestly, I want to say since I dropped my welcome video, I've been looking into more of my spiritual side. Not saying that I've been going to church and studying a Bible or whatever, but more so saying that's like being more in tune with my body and the vibrations that surround me. So let's get into it. Now, so let's set forth with my beginning statement. I've been coming with, not even set forth, how can I say this? I've been, before I go to sleep or whatever, or before I begin my day, before I do anything, I've been kind of like saying my intentions out loud, but also to myself. And I also, like, as a submissive message, like I kind of like chanted low, like I chanted low key, okay, to myself. And when you repeat something or it's done repetitively, it becomes like homework, so you get attuned to that. So that's what I'm trying to get myself used to, getting attuned to just attunement. But basic, and setting my intentions. But basically, before I went to rest this past month or so, I've been speaking with my manager. Oh yeah, before I get into that, I was speaking to my manager. Like, he's been telling me that as you start to progress in whatever you do in life, you'll realize that a lot of people come in and out of your life just for clout, or just to, you know, they'll say they was there just so they can say that, but not really be there. They just like it for clout, for looks. So always keep that in mind. You can't get mad at it. You can't get mad at it once you realize it's just for that, because you acknowledge it, so you're not like in the know. Like, you can decide whether or not you choose to pursue or continue with that situation. But further ado, the past couple of days, he's been telling me like people will do things like that, or just want to be around you because they see what you're doing, want to gain momentary clout, you know, even if it's not to help push themselves forward, it's just to give them something to do, or to give them some limelight or some shine light, blah blah blah. But sit to that. Let me stop dragging. Lately, the past couple nights, I've been trying to like I've been trying to astral project, but while I'm doing it, I'm trying to balance with setting intention. So with setting my intentions, I obviously went to astral project. I also revealed the true intentions of others around me and what they really want from me, and just to show like where they really prioritize things and how they really move. Basically, show me the true way of others. So I've been hitting up a friend called Jenny or whatever. I haven't been getting any call from Jenny ever since I dropped the video with Jenny. I'm gonna let y'all figure it out. Y'all want to debate about who it is? Comments right there. But This is not what we're here for. I'm just here to tell you what I experienced. But Jenny's been giving weird vibes. She has, ever since we dropped the video, it's like she hasn't been around, but she's been around people that I do know briefly from conducting business. And I know she's not a business person, but I'm not one to judge. If you like the vibes, you like the vibes. Y'all can hang out. I'm not to judge that. And I'm not one to tell you to answer your phone. But, you know, I just peep things. Well, I didn't. I did. So, basically, I was like, show me the true intentions of people around me, whatever. So, my real good friends started coming back around, whereas she disappeared out of the mix. They started being in the videos. Even when they can't make it in the videos, they still come around, you know, communicate with me. And it's always positivity. But when she came around, it's always negative, a drag. Like, it's like pulling teeth. I didn't like it, or whatever. And I'm not saying I was trying to force this relationship. I just, like, asked for clarity. I wanted to see. I want truth. So, I've been asking that for the past couple days. And when I got to today, for some odd reason, my third eye was hurting. She was throbbing. She was aching the past couple of days since, like, I've been beginning this journey. But, like, she was really... my head was really hurting. I didn't, like, it was hurting so bad I couldn't even think properly, if I can say that. I, like, couldn't focus on anything. Like, when I was talking to people, I couldn't focus on the conversation for real. It's like I could, but I couldn't. Like, it was just like something was just trying to force out what they was, like, saying, like, not let me fully absorb it, but made me to, like, focus on what was going on inside. But anyway, I woke up feeling like I really needed to pay attention. So today I woke up connected to midday as usual, and my grandma was like, she was like, what happened to so-and-so, Jenny? I was like, funny you say that. Hell, Jenny, I haven't talked to her in, like, forever. Like, forever. We're doing laundry. So I haven't talked to Jenny in, like, forever. So strange thing, I hit up my friend that does music or whatever. Mom in my room because I was doing something. Nah, I'm just kidding. Anyway, I hit up my friend and they live up across the street from me. I was just like, yo, like, what you doing or whatever, kind of run up the hill real quick, whatever. And plus, I wanted to show the fact that I dropped a new video and I'm past my 50th video. Like, I'm working towards the hundreds, baby. So you drop a comment if y'all like that. But anyway, I walked up to the hill and lo and behold, little Miss Jenny that's been missing in action is right there. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all why I don't go to this friend's house, even though, like, they live across the hill. It's nothing against them. It's more so, like, the energy is too... it's mellow, but it's not the way I want it to be. It's not a productive mellow. Like, I can see myself not getting any work done there, or else I would feel too uncomfortable, or it just be like too many distractions. So that's why I don't go there that much, because I'm a distraction enough as it is with all this going on up here. And yeah, I just peeped out and was like, wow, that's really funny. So I just felt like I had to come in here and tell y'all about that, because that was just weird. It's like the more, like, I pay attention to myself and the more I put my intentions and, like, the strength and power behind my words to the universe, is like crazy, because it be coming back. And it's like, when it's crazy, and now I be thinking something and literally I can be thinking something and, like, the next day, I kid you not, it's trending. It's freaking trending. If it's not trending the next day, a couple days later, if not a couple days later, it's gonna be a week or two later. So it's just like, I don't know, I find it interesting. I find it very powerful. I find it a very interesting thing. Even though I said powerful, weird, I don't really give a because it's just a weird thing. I don't know, like, it's really different. It's like, I don't know how to explain it unless you've been through it.